Back again with May's MTD EEI. It's our own economic indicator. So how does it compare to other manufacturing indicators such as the CBI Quarterly Trend Survey? Well, the results aren't too different. The CBI says that manufacturing grew at its fastest level since 1973. And whilst we've only been doing ours since 2020, our results support this sentiment. But the difference is our figures are done monthly. They relate just to engineering, and we actually speak to engineers. It's not just a survey. But to reiterate some points, Rain Newton-Smith, CBI chief economist, said manufacturers have reported the biggest increase in optimism in 50 years. Tom Crotty, chair of the CBI Manufacturing Council, said manufacturers are planning to invest more. Numbers of employed have grown since the fastest since July 2018. Prices are growing though, so is there a risk of inflation? Lots of money is being pumped into the economy, but it's being used to sustain people's incomes through furlough. So is it actually increasing that demand? Don't know. Business sentiment has grown the fastest since 1973. So there's a few points. Now our results are in for May 2021. But if you haven't already seen it, the MTD EEI, what is it? It's an economic indicator for how the UK engineering sector is doing. It's as simple as that. How are UK engineers doing? Well, we took a scale from 0 to 100, 50 being neutral. We then asked engineers how they would score their business. And as you would expect, we speak to a lot of engineers and we get their opinions. We started in November 2020, the score was 58.2. We hit a low of 54.2 in January and March, but it was still positive, and as you can see from the graph. But what was the result in May 2021? Well, we've hit an all-time high of 58.3, so engineering, manufacturing is on the up, positive and on the up, which is great. But why? Well, I've already mentioned some comments from the CBI, but there are definitely more demand, restocking, and a general air of confidence. Comments from some of our engineers. So MacFab scored 80, they're just busy. Thermofax 77, they're specialists and well known and high quality. EAG Precision scored 76, huge investment. Fleming Seals 76 as well, they're busy and looking to invest. And then Rimstock PLC 75, again regular investment. So there's a bit of a theme here. So we have a view from some of the many companies we spoke to, but we want your input. So please comment on LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, website, wherever you see this. And overall the consensus is demand is up, there is a positivity in the market, employment is up, but there is a skills shortage, investment, reshoring and restocking. So there you have it, the EEI for May 2021, a new high of 58.3. Let's see how it pans out for 2021. And finally, just to repeat, get your comments in on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, wherever you're seeing this. That's it, the MTD EEI. Thank you very much.